Okay, so we just finished learning about the rock cycle, and we're ready now to move into our next unit, the rock fossil record, and build on what we've been learning. So I just want to take a couple minutes to go over all the assignments that are included in this unit and basically what's expected of you, okay? So you'll notice that our assignment stream is kind of cleaned out now. It's only assignments that are dealing with this new unit that we're working on. We're done now with our rock cycle assignments, and we are purely into the rock fossil record. So what I'd like for you to do is start by watching this Educanon on what is geologic time, and it will give you a little bit of an overview of the main ideas that we will be learning in this unit. And remember, anytime you are working on an assignment, go ahead and click open, go into the assignment, do whatever the instructions say. Now this is one of the things I've noticed that we've struggled with, is let's make sure that we really read these instructions, because they'll lay out what you need to do and the order that you need to move through the different parts of the assignment, okay? So in this case, it's pretty simple. You're just going to watch the video. It's not scored. It's just a way for you to get a sense of what we're moving into. Now, just like every other assignment, when you've completed this, right, go ahead and mark as done. Don't mark an assignment as done unless you've actually finished it. I'm still getting assignments that are blank templates. The work is not completed. So make sure you finish the work before you mark as done. I know you guys want to avoid seeing it say late, and so I understand you wanting to mark as done, but please make sure you've actually finished the assignment. So this unit will be worth 100 points. I've laid out specifically how many points each assignment will be, and what you'll need to do is move down the assignment stream. As you finish one, move on to the next, and then when you finish that one, you move on to the next one, right? Now I know that sometimes, depending on how you're feeling that day, you might want to jump around a little bit and work on another assignment. I'm not going to prohibit that, okay? You can do that if you want to. If you want to skip this one and go down to the next one, that's fine. But it's your responsibility to make sure that you get all of these done, okay? So let's kind of scroll through this. You're going to start off with an overview. Then you will start to learn about what is a rock fossil record. What are the key vocabulary words, key concepts. You will take a pretest just so we can kind of see where we're starting at. And then, let's click in here. You'll do the pretest. You will get your slideshow down here. Go ahead and look at the slideshow first. And then go ahead and do the rags to riches. By now you guys kind of know how that works. And then I want you to do the hangman and get at least 80%. Again, the instructions are here. If you follow the instructions in order, you'll be okay. When you're done with the rags to riches and the hangman, you've taken the pretest, go ahead and turn it in. So that's the first one. Then you will move on to geologic time. You will, let's go ahead and, might be worth just taking a little time at the beginning to look at what we're working with. You will watch the Educanon video here, watch the Science Learn video and read that web page right here, and then you are going to do a geologic time exploration and answer some questions in this document. And again, turn it in when you're done, okay? Then we're moving on into a riddled with fossils activity where you will follow the instructions and kind of determine which order in the different layers of sedimentary rock different fossils were found. Okay, that's 10 points. Then you'll move on to radioactive decay, which is a way that scientists are able to determine the age of rocks, minerals, and fossils. You'll watch all these Educanon videos. This is kind of a lot of information to move through, but I think and hope it will be helpful for you to wrap your mind around kind of a difficult concept. And then you will watch a video and read this website, read this article, do another Educanon, and inside of the assignment is a radioactive lab with write-up that you'll be doing with pennies It's kind of a fun one. Then you will work on a research presentation. There's an Educanon how-to, so you'll get your instructions there. Then you will be working with a partner to create a rock fossil group presentation. Again, that's inside of this assignment. Rock fossil career is your second to last assignment. You will be either typing your answers about what's a career where that person needs to be knowledgeable about the rock fossil, how do they use that knowledge and why is it important, and you can either type that or create your own comic, and there are instructions in that Educanon on how to do both. Finally, you will kind of review the material with rags to riches and go ahead and take your test. All right, and then you're done with the rock fossil record. I anticipate this taking between 10 and 12 days. We'll see how it goes. And I am able to kind of see how you guys are doing based on your responses in the Educanons. And we might stop as a class and go over some of this big information if anybody's struggling with it, particularly the radioactive decay. In the past, students have struggled with this, and if you find yourself in that same situation, don't worry. Let me know, and we'll do what we can to clarify everything. Okay, this will be a fun unit, and good luck. Stay active. Don't spend time doing things that are not helping you complete and understand these assignments. All right, let's get to it.